Here we've got Simon coming down. He's up there somewhere.
There he is, just going crosswind.
Have a quick look at the windsock. As you can see, it's really quite windy.
It's quite windy.
So,
here he comes. Good luck. We've just done it.
Yeah. To prove it.
About 50 metres.
To prove it, there's our plane over there.
He's got a powered approach coming on. You can hear it.
Yeah.
Which I didn't do because we were actually too high.
Yeah.
You should cut the power when it gets across the threshold.
Must look like he's not going to make it.
Still high. Give him that. Oh no, cut the power then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that wobble. Fuck it, I better not shout himself for that one.
Look it up.
Food.
Whoa. He's in, did it really well. It's windy as hell.